Are you going on a student visa or family visa outside the nation? For work or to achieve your educational goals? Such an exciting opportunity. Going overseas can be complicated because there is a process of getting the apostille of the birth certificate before you are allowed to go. It is also a crucial process. Apostille is a final part of the legalization process of birth certificate. This process will certify the legality of your birth certificate and yourself for education or work or stay in an overseas nation. It's oblivious to get stressed with so many questions, and only professional help can save you from all these complications. But worry no more. Excellent Apostille Services is here to help you. Excellent Apostille Services provide you with a complete guide of apostille procedure for birth certificate. Regarding what is apostille for birth certificate? When and why apostille is required for birth certificate? Is your presence required to get the apostille of a birth certificate? How long does the apostille procedure take time for birth certificate? Required documents for the birth certificate apostille procedure. How to get an apostille for birth certificate?
What is apostille for birth certificate?
The birth certificate for use abroad. The Ministry of External Affairs must legalize it. It is a unique and special stamp, called an apostille.
When and why apostille is required for birth certificate?
The apostille stamp is required for birth certificate to obtain a work visa, student visa or dependent visa. It proves that your certificate is true, which can be permitted in the country. Apostille attestation is a report which expresses a conclusion about the reliability of a birth certificate.
How long does the apostille procedure take time for birth certificate?
Birth certificate apostille process is a multi-step process. To reach the final apostille stamp, the birth certificate has to pass through some compulsory primary legalization process from the various authorized departments such as the Home Ministry or STM. The MEA can finally apostille the birth certificate. So it takes 7 working days, and the time period depends upon issued place. Although there are several ways to finish process on a fast track. Contact to Excellent Apostille Services. One stop of legalization solutions.
Also, it's important to know what exact documents are required for the process.
The apostille stamp can be printed exclusively on original birth certificates. So, the birth certificate should be in an apparent better position. All signs and stamps have to be readable and clear. Moreover, it must not contain unusual marking. And as a supporting required document, civil ID copy such as passport copy or driving license copy, etc. Apostille procedure for birth certificate. Step 1. Notary attestation. Step 2. Attestation from Home Department, or STM. Step 3. Final attestation from the Ministry of External Affairs. Since this process involves your original birth documents, there is always a concern of document security and handling. So, it is beneficial to get certificates attested from experts. Excellent Apostille Services guarantees the highest reliability and quality, and provide end-to-end services of apostille or translation. Let us explain to you why we are the best for the apostille process. Our pan-India reach will provide you with personalized and quick services, free pickup and delivery service across the India. We have 24/7 customer support, guaranteed safety and security of your valuable documents. All-in-one hassle-free document apostille and translation service is just a phone call away. Once we know the destination you want to travel, we can take care of everything needed after that. And you can spend your valuable time planning your travel and make the best out of it. Our service in this industry for many years and transparency in work makes us the first choice of our customer. Contact today to get the door-to-door services for your complete apostille needs.